Good morning, everybody. This is Terry from Allen Art and Design. Welcome to my channel. This morning I'd like to do a little flip through of this flip-flop journal that was inspired by Leslie at 507 Willow House Journals. These are a lot of fun to do. I've made up a little prototype. I will be showing you how to do this in another video, but today I just want to show you what I've done so far and work a little bit on this. Okay, so I've used a lot of recycled things like envelopes and pictures from books and old pages from books. So this flip-flop journal has 5 signatures. Signature is just a grouping of papers like this that you put together and then you tie them into your journal. So this one is one signature here. This is the first one. And you flip it over, there's the second one. And these are just all the papers that I've sewed into that signature. There's quite a few. And here's then you flip it over. Here's the next signature. This is the next grouping of pages. And I just love how eclectic it looks. We used all kinds of different papers in here. Ledger paper, doilies, scrapbooking paper. This is some baking paper, parchment, old book pages, old stationery, pages out of books, music paper. This one I'm gonna glue in. I thought it was a fun one. This came out of a cross-stitching book. Now you flip it over and we have signature number 4, which is a little one like this. Again, I've made some pockets. I put some washi tape. Some little cutouts from different books. Strips of paper. Little illustrations that I've cut out. Some of them I'll back, some of them I'll just put them in so you can decorate with them later. Lined paper to write on. That's just an illustration that I put on some green paper and then I backed it with some cream colored paper. That just goes in a little pocket. Stickers. Again, just another illustration. I just love the pattern on it. And then this is just like a little collage strip, but you can write on the back of it. I thought the black went great. There's a lot of black and white in here. I love the polka dot strips. And I get some botanicals, little clocks. These are pockets, actually. You can stick something behind there. Butterflies, and this one needs to be glued on. And then you can write on the back. And lots of scraps paper. It's a great way to use up some of your scraps. Here's another one of those collage strips. Thought I'd glue that on and make a little tuck. I'll probably put a little image on here. This is a little pocket you can put something in. This is a big pocket, but I have to put something in there. Probably some stationery to write on. This is, I think I got these numbers mixed up. Okay. I believe this is the last signature. I have a lot of pieces I've already picked out that I'm going to glue in. I just found spots where I thought I could use them. Love the music paper. This is paper that you use to write a story. You draw a picture and then you write about it. And then these are just beautiful botanicals from an old book. More music paper. I just love these images. More doily. And then here I've made a little tuck spot by just folding it and gluing it. And this is a beautiful journaling card made out of an image from an art book. And then you can color on this paper. I'm going to glue that in over here as a tuck spot. And I love this as the middle of the signature. And these are the strings that you are used to tie it together. I'm going to leave them dangling just because I like the way that looks. You can tie little charms on the bottom. I love this image. I love fairies. And this is just a receipt, but you can make a list on there. You can write. This is also another pocket. More doily. Here's another one of those little tuck spots that you fold it and then you glue it. And here's another, this is a postcard. I just love the image. Oh, it looks like that needs to be glued. This will be glued onto the back. This I'm going to make a journaling card out of it. Just tuck it right in there. If you leave the corner open, you can actually put something a little bit bigger in there. I'm going to actually glue something on here, make another page. Here's also another card I made. I just like the image. I put some lace on the side, and there was too much glue here, so I just covered it up with more lace. And that's my flip-flop journal. I hope you enjoy it. I will be doing a video showing you how to put this together and how to sew in the signatures and then to start decorating. I'm going to make a whole bunch of these because they're really easy to make. And if you've got lots of envelopes from the mail, it's a perfect way to reuse them. I know you hate to throw away things that they've only been used once. It's nice if you can give them another life. Well, thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.